Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is 28th of October, Thursday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit today. And today and the yesterday analysis, I haven't uploaded my yesterday analysis review. I was moving office, so let me share with you guys how I did today. Today we had amazing volatility in the market and banked beautiful pips, especially at the New York session. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you guys how I did. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move on to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, we had such a beautiful breakout at the New York session. So we were looking this breakout. As you can see here, previously broken, retest, and we were expecting a pullback here. But the safest trade would be for if the price gonna break this previous high. So we were expecting today nice big move anyway. We have a euro high impact news today, and we had a high impact news for the dollar today as well. As you can see, once price developed a bullish engulfing candle pattern, price broke on the previous high, and that's what we explained to my trader this time to keep taking a pullbacks and breakout long trade. So we had such an amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday. As you can see here, this morning, technically we were looking this breakout. So this morning we were expecting this consolidation breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and after that we have another pullback. Beautiful long trade. We were expecting the price, if the price is going to respect this level, which price did. You can see here price developed a triple bottom at this level. Beautiful long trade breakout and the pullback. And at the New York session, once we figure out the news is not good for the dollar, so expecting the euro probably going to be continue. If we look for this pullback at this level, as explained to my trader, we can see here we have another beautiful pullback. So once the price develop a momentum and they break the major structure, so we explain to traders keep taking a pullback as long as the price is moving towards the momentum and the trend. So we had a beautiful breakout, pullbacks, and beautiful long trade. As soon as the price about to hit the previous high, this level and this level, that's what we explained to my trader. It's time to enjoying profit, and some of the traders are still holding. Good luck. But we managed beautiful pips on Euro USD. All right, let's move into the pound dollar cable. We also had a beautiful trade. If you look at the 4-hour chart, that's what we explained to my trader. If the price is going to stay below this previous level, then probably going to be looking for short trade here. What happened here this morning, we had this beautiful bullish engulfing candle, and that's what I explained to my trader. We will consider this one as a false breakout, and more likely price might gonna shoot up, and let's see. But because the thing is, once we understand the price action, then we refine entries and exit in intraday. Yesterday we also had a beautiful short trade here, this breakout, banked beautiful pips, and today we were long and banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyzed yesterday this area and this area, and today, and banked beautiful pips in intraday. If you look at the intraday analysis, if you look at this is the yesterday trade, we had this breakout, and after the breakout we have this beautiful symmetric triangle pattern breakout. This was the breakout in 4-hour. In intraday, as soon as the price hit to the previous level, explained to trader to bank some profit. All right, so this morning I explained to my trader, look for once we explain, look for this breakout. You can see here we have a very small pullback breakout as soon as the price broke on the previous high. Explain in 4-hour we had a breakout long trade, which technically we came out at the break even, but some of the traders banked beautiful pips like 15-20 pips. And afterwards at the New York session, explained to my trader, look for this breakout, and expecting here pullback here because the news was bad for the dollar, expecting another breakout. And as you can see here, based on the 4-hour price action, we explained to trader the price basically refused to stay below this level. That's the good sign. Even if you look at here this candle, we can see here we had a selling pressure, and at the end bull was in control, and that's what we're explaining to my trader. Look for this breakout. Momentum was bullish. We had such a beautiful breakout, Beautiful long trade here, and explain to my trader just keep taking a pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, as you can see here, price previously respected this level. That's what we explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy profit. So we had such an amazing trade on long trade on pound dollar. Let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a beautiful trade, and if you look at the 4 hour from this week, we were long. Technically we were long from last week. If you haven't seen my last week analysis reviews, watch video, link is given in the video description. So from last week we were long once we have seen this head and shoulder pattern. So we were long and buying beautiful pips. Even this week we were long. If you look at here, price action, we have impulsive correction, and impulsive. So we banked beautiful pips. Once the price hit this level, we banked some pip, and yesterday we had a high impact news. So we were expecting some big moves. So that's what I explained to my trader. Let's wait for the news. And this is basically technically the news reaction. As I said to you guys, we don't trade news. After the news, we explained to my trader, look for possibility of this pullback. We might going to see continuation or pullback, but we're going to look at this level. And today we had a news was bad for the dollar, and that's why we had another beautiful short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and refine my entries and exit. If you look at from yesterday, we were long here, bank beautiful pips. Even this was long here, bank few pips. And at the New York session, just after the news, price developed this pattern. Explained to my trader, look for this breakout. News is bad for the dollar, so expecting here, but I explained to my trader this is ascending triangle pattern. More likely price might gonna come back, but we're going to trade what we see it. So we have this beautiful breakout, and as soon as the price hit to the nice target, and then beautiful after that pullback. Explained to my trader, keep taking a short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, you can see here price respected, and that's what we explained to my trader. It's time to enjoying profit. So we had amazing trades on dollar CAD, bank beautiful pips, and most of the traders today, like if you look at here, we had after the news, this was the pretty straightforward breakout long trade, bank beautiful pips. We had another beautiful on Kiwi dollar. That was the beautiful breakout. As you can see here, this was the beautiful breakout, consolidation breakout, and we had a beautiful pips on the euro yen too. If you look at here, euro yen right now, what's happening here, and that's what we explained to my trader. Price develop another channel, so more likely let's see what's the price action. So we have price develop double bottom here, bank beautiful pips. So we were short this morning, bank beautiful pips. At the New York session, we were long here, and that's what I'm explaining to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So if you look at technically, we looks like this is the uptrend. This is look like a bullish flag pattern. So let's see here if the price gonna stay above this level, then tomorrow probably gonna be taking a pullback. So we'll see tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader, so we trade whatever we see it, whether long and short, depend on the market condition at that specific time. All right, so let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday and bank beautiful pips. If you look at here, we were short here, bank beautiful pips, because from here we were short and bank beautiful pips. Even this morning, you can see here, explain to my trader, look for pullback here. So we have this pullback, beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain to trader, tempering some profit, and then wait for the news to be released. That's 12:45 London time. After the news reaction, and we have seen the dollar was getting weaker, yen getting weaker, 2 euros strong. As you can see, that's what I explained to my trader, look for the possibility of pullback here. Either technically, you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader, previous high is broken, so we're looking here at this level, or probably this level too. So if the price, so we can see here price came down here and then developed pullback, exactly the same place where I explained to my trader, and through live audio commentary I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pullback long trade here. You can see here first target and the final target nicely hit, even price. So I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So after that, I've already banked beautiful pips, and you can see here price nicely hit. So you can see guys, all these analyses, we analyze market in 4 hours, define the market sentiment, and the buys and refine entries and exit intraday. I hope guys you enjoyed all these analysis. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time, banking profit in real time, and most important thing, developing your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis, through live audio commentary support. Once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I'm sure I can help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I coach and train and help other traders through live intraday analysis in real time through live audio commentary support, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member will help you and show you how you can become a good and successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy prepping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.